Good day, everyone. I am Danica Villaros, and this is my takeaways about the film entitled Missing 2023. In your own opinion, will the future of technology save humanity, or will it destroy us? Why or why not? What is technology? Technology affects everyone's life in some way. It benefits us in several ways and makes any task easier. It makes things simpler and not at all problematic. Technology has beneficial and negative impacts. Like the movie entitled Missing 2023, where a young woman tries to find her mom from home using tools available to her online after her mother goes missing. We all know that technology helps us with a lot of things. We are using technology to communicate to our loved ones and to have a news or update about them. Just like in the movie Missing 2023, the young woman June used FaceTime and WhatsApp to communicate with her mom and best friend Vina. The impact that technology will have on humanity in the future is uncertain and will depend on how we direct and control. Depending on the choices we make today, technology will probably have a mixed effect in the future, leading to both beneficial and negative effects. Technology has the ability to tackle about global issues, including improving healthcare, combating climate change, and improving communication. Future technology can help many individuals to make their life easier. In the movie Missing 2023, June used so many apps and websites just to find her mom and have a report about her. Even CCTV cameras that can document all the things and have access on what's going on in that certain area. However, it also carries concerns, such as the possibility of misuse and loss of privacy. Technology can easily steal our personal information and do such things that we don't have a control. Using other apps or website, people can easily hack our social accounts like what Jen did in movie. Technology can also spread a news worldwide in just a second, and it can easily make false information or fake issues that will affect your mental health. That's all. Thank you for listening.